We are looking at how to pronounce correctly these three words that may look similar, somewhat sound similar, but they do have very different meanings, so you do not want to confuse them from one another. So how do you go about pronouncing them? We're going to be looking at the British English pronunciation as well as the American English pronunciation, so you have it all really clear. So the one on the top, on the left, W-O-R-S-E, is pronounced in British English as worse, worse. When something is more bad, badder than something else, it is worse, worse. When it's the baddest, you say it is the worst, worst. If it's worth doing something, so, you want to make some efforts to get there, it is worth, worth. And that's the one at the bottom with the TH, worth. So, worse, worst, and worth, worth, with a specific TH sound for the last one with your tongue between your teeth. Now, in American English, it's essentially the same principle, only the last part is going to vary between words, but it is going to be said in American English as worse, worse, then worst, worst, or worth, worth. Did you get this? Worse or worse, worst or worst, worth or worst. Well, worth. Oh, I'm getting confused there. Anyhow, I hope this was useful. Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for the support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.